It's been a while since I sat down out here in the shop, but working on some can eyes, 10mm. I've already got holes drilled. Let's see if I'm technically logical technical enough to put some video of that in. Karen was just out here. Are we live?
Yes.
How long has it been since I sat out here? Or at least you. What?
Can you see? That's the
No,
question.
I can't see. It helps me though. All right, what are we doing? See that bad boy right there? 10mm. On some cans. I already got them measured out. It's getting dull. 10mm. It's getting dull. It's been used a lot.
Someone called you a wild man. Jay White said wild man.
As long as Karen called me a wild man. Thank you. So that's what I'm doing.
Pat Loveland. Hey, Jeff.
Good afternoon, good afternoon. Trying to get these cans knocked out. Again, there's the bit. And basically, this point to the top of the bill is the center of the eye. So I got them marked out. This is the old George Williams pattern.
Good looking head from Bradley.
Thank you, thank you. It is dull.
Yeah, see this. Scott Bronston says, hey, Jeff.
Good afternoon.
Arun Khan. Hello, Jeff.
Good afternoon, good afternoon. 10mm red eyes going in them.
Nice.
Not too bad, huh?
Yeah.
All right, keep going. You know, I'm not complaining, but you know what really hurts? It's my offhand elbow
Yeah.
when I do this.
Gonna build your muscles back up again for
Something.
carving. Arun says, enjoy the day.
Did the same to you, thank you. All right, one more. I appreciate you coming out, Karen, thank you. See if I can do it. Wait a minute. There we go.
Are you attending any shows soon?
I got asked about the ODCCA, but we're going to be in South Carolina with dogs. So
Okay.
short term, no. And I guess I'm judging the Blue Ridge Open field trial the weekend of Ocean City. So, all right, we appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Thank you very much. And as always, thank you to we are, boom. Come on with me. This is what I do after the holes are drilled. All right, let me get this adjusted so you'll be able to see the best. All right, there we go. I think it's pretty good. First thing I do is I come in with this cutter right here, and I cut on the bottom side of the eye. The bottom of the eye channel. Get her cranked up to speed. There we go. So I do that to all of them. And then I'm going to come back in with this cutter right here. Going to get in there, crank her up to speed first. Get in there and just smooth it out. Trying to make a nice transition in here. Something like that. Crank her up to speed. Kind of coming to life, getting shaped up. Like that. Blending it in nice. Like that. All right, that's all I got. Except I got a few more to do. We'll fire up the burner. Burn the bills in. I'd appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Thank you very much. If you like my stock carbon, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. If you're not, please subscribe and leave any comments down below if I can be of help to you. CANVASBACK. Happy Monday.
show.